Hey everyone, in this video we will look at the different ways to add CSS styling to a HTML file. Let's get into it. There are three ways to use CSS with a HTML file. The first way to add CSS is by using Inline CSS. Inline CSS is used to apply styling on a single element. To accomplish this, we add the style attribute to the target element. Don't worry about the syntax for now. Alrighty guys, let's add some inline CSS. So to do that, we're going to go inside the opening h1 tag here and add the style attribute. Well, don't worry about the syntax here. We'll add the color is blue. Now we'll save that. And as you can see, we can style with inline CSS. Next, we have internal CSS. As you can see here, we have the style element placed inside the head element. Now inside the style element, we can add the same styling as in the previous example. This way, all the styling is organized into a single area. Let's now add internal styling to this HTML page. So to do that, we'll go inside the head just below the title and we'll add the style element. Now inside the style element, we'll add h1 tag, color, blue. Now if we save that, the styling works again. The last way to add CSS to a HTML file is by using an external CSS file. To do that, we have to create a CSS file. It is common practice to call it something like style or styles.css. From there, inside the head element, we add the link element. We give it the href attribute pointing to the CSS file. As the file is in the same folder as the HTML file, we just need to provide the file name with the CSS extension. Next, the rel attribute is needed with the value style sheet. Now you can go to your style.css file and add the styling seen in the previous example. Alrighty guys, let's style our HTML page with external CSS. So to do that, we're going to create a file, styles.css. We'll go back to the index.html, and inside the head, we'll add the link element with the href attribute pointing to the styles.css page. So styles.css. We'll add the rel attribute, style sheet, close it off. Now we're going to save that. Now we go to the styles.css, color blue. Now if we save that, the styling works as well. It is best practice to use CSS with an external CSS file. So moving forward, all the styling will be in a separate CSS file. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next video. Happy coding!